Now it's available at McCarthycars Mercedes GLC 220 diesel, 17 plate 2017, metallic blue. Car has front daylights, front parking sensor. It's got 19-inch AMG alloy wheels, it's got electric sunroof, privacy rear glass, it's got side steps. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests, ISOFIX. Four electric windows, electric and folding mirrors, full electric seats, front auto headlights, electric sunroof, satellite navigation, reversing camera, DAB radio, telephone, Bluetooth connection. It's got Eco mode, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus. 2-zone climate control air conditioning. 2 central cup holders. A multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift. Auto transmission, push button to start. Cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.